Hello friends, myself Haim Zaveri from the right, Paritosh Giovanni, Bhavik Mehr, Hiren Vatwana and Sound Bhatelia. We have participated in the contest of NI Indra 2013 and the definition of our project is
LabVIEW based embedded system for centralized power efficient LED light control for distributed premises.
This is the GUI developed on LabVIEW, which is of NI. Now the purpose of our project is, as I said in the definition, we have to control the light of various rooms automatically through a central control system. So for that we have to change the light intensity of various rooms according to the present light intensity of that room. So for example, if we have calibrated the average value of a room, that is 50 lux, and the light in the room is 45, so we will provide them extra 5 lux via this control system. So now I will explain you the GUI. This is the COM port which is selected to interface the LabVIEW and Arduino. It should be exactly correct. Next comes the baud rate, that is 9600. So we have to set the baud rate equal in Arduino as well as this LabVIEW. Next block comes of time and date, which will update us about the current time and date. Then comes our main core block of the GUI, that is we have room number, light intensity, then check link. So first we will select the room number, like if we have 100 rooms, so we will select the appropriate room in which we want our control. So for example, here we have selected the control number, room number 1. Then from here we can adjust the light intensity, like amount of light we want there. And after that, when we'll press enter, the light will be changed in that room. This is the intensity is shown in this block. Now there may be a question that what if the link is not developed, link is not available. So to change, to modify any parameter, before that we will check the link. So if link is okay, then we can go ahead. Then next comes the block of this room. We have 10 rooms. We have set here the slot of 10 rooms. Like if the room, all the lights in the room are on, room is active, then the room numbers, respective room will be on, and the light in this circles or light will be on. Next block comes of the information about the room. Like this is garbage value, and we have, for example, 100 rooms, and we want information of any room. So as I said, we will select the room over here, and here it will show us the present light intensity. For example, if it is 50 lux, then it will be somewhere here, and this is the message box. It will tell us the information in written. So this is the GUI of our project. Now we will take you towards the hardware part. So it will go like this. Working चला चेक कर लो तुम मंजूर कोर्स
कोई भी एक रूम होगा फोकस मत करवाऊं जाजो
ना चालू तो सर. So this is our hardware setup. Laptop plus Arduino consists of our CCU, that is centralized control unit. Then we have LICU, various LICUs will be there. Presently we have just considered 2 LICs. LICU means light intensity control unit. So from CCU we will control the light intensity of all the rooms. We will be having various rooms. For demo purpose we have done only 2 rooms at present. Now getting deep into the rooms, we have an Arduino which is used to control the intensity of lights, because after comparing the light intensity through LDR, which is light impedance register, we will set the values in the LabVIEW, and from that appropriate PWM focus karo jo. Now this is the room. Getting deep into our rooms, that is LICUs, we have an Arduino, and this is the LED panel which will be controlled automatically. We have LDR, MOSFET. Now the process goes like this. We will set appropriate ambient light in our software, in our GUI. For example, we have calibrated the value as 50 lux, that is 50 luminosity. So LDR will sense the ambient light. If it is less, like if it is 45 or if it is 30, then automatically by using the PID algorithm which we have implemented in the software, in the program, it will automatically generate required PWM, and it will light the LED panel in appropriate luminosity. Now we will see the actual practical of our project. Now we have made a change in our program. We started our room number 2, and we had set a particular value of the light in that place. So room number 2 is on now. Now we will see the variation with light in this LED panel. And we have our iPhone here. Now you can see literally that the intensity of LED panel is varying according with the ambient light. If ambient light is increased, then the intensity of LED panel is decreased. And now when it is decreased, then the intensity of LED panel is increased. So in this way our project works. Now the same goes with the room number 2 and various rooms. Now one point I would like to include is, this is wired, but we are planning to do it wireless. This is a CC2500 module which we will use for wireless communication. Now I will show you the practical of room number 1. So I'll start the room number 1. And this is off because we have given the command to off the room number 2. Now room number 1 will be on within a few seconds, and we have set the intensity of light is 73. We will keep on the room number 1, and the light intensity set is 68. Now the room number 1 is active. Now again we will compare the ambient light. Now as we saw, the ambient light has increased and LDR is sensing the value. Now according to the value fetched from LDR, the program will automatically calculate how much amount of PWM to generate according to the PI algorithm, and the intensity of LED panel has increased, as you can see literally. Now we will decrease the intensity of ambient light, and we have seen that again the intensity of LED panel is increasing. That's it. So this is our project. You have seen the practical working of it in 2 rooms. Now we will expand this. You can expand this in 2, 3, 4 and several number of rooms. It will be done wirelessly soon. And that's it. Thank you.